Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba Inu. Ethereum whales splash millions on SHIB. Do they know something you don't? Ethereum whales have always been big on meme coins. Coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have gotten massive love from these whales who hold a good chunk of the ETH supply. Even through the downtrends, these whales have continued to show love for these meme coins, and they have not deviated from it. In the same vein, an Ethereum whale has been loading up on SHIB, just as other whales have increased their activity involving the token. Ethereum whale buys $1 million Shiba Inu recently. An Ethereum whale went on a Shiba Inu buying spree. The whale had purchased enough of the meme coin that the whale alert bot had picked up the trend $50. An optimistic outlook reveals the uptrend could extend up to $0.000495. This move, however, would represent a 122% gain. While the technicals for SHIB are shining bright, suggesting a bullish outlook is around the corner, on-chain metrics, volume in particular, is revealing some specific signals that support the bulls. The on-chain volume for SHIB spiked from 640 million on 15 March to 229 billion on 17 March, revealing a 257% spike. This sudden uptick is often observed as a smart money accumulation at the end of a downtrend and is considered a buy signal. However, if a similar thing occurs at the top, it could serve as a potential sell signal, but combining this index's readings with social volume can give a more accurate indication of a local top. Regardless, the recent uptick combined with the consolidation in fractal formation confirms that an uptrend is a no-brainer. The only arguable point here is if SHIB will stop its ascent after a 55% gain, or continue higher until it retests $0.000495. And second news today about how social should Shiba Inu be, to initiate more recovery. As it has been iterated before, one of Shiba Inu's biggest assets is its community. Its investors and supporters are the reason this memecoin managed to become one of the market's top 10 biggest cryptocurrencies. Following the 32% fall in its price, the altcoin is now looking to fall back on them to bring it back. Shiba Inu, the social coin. In a report published yesterday, Shiba Inu highlighted its past accomplishments regarding its performance on the social front. According to that report, social media relevance targets 30 million visits monthly to a 2.9M follower community, and this is just on Twitter. We are closer to 50 million profile visits if we include all our social media. Hence, a downfall continuation will reach the $0.000225 mark. However, buyers taking back the control will result in an early bullish reversal passing over the resistance trendline to touch the $0.000030 mark. Shiba Inu, in the early hours of Saturday 23 April announced the commencement of the public sale of lands on its Shiba metaverse. This represents the third and final stage of SHIB, the metaverse land sale, wherein anyone interested is allowed to buy the remaining lands on the metaverse at a starting price of 0.02 ETH without the need to have locked up their $leash tokens. The bid event and the holders event, the first 2 phases of the land sale project, were driven by the leash and shibashi tokens, as only the holders of these tokens were allowed to bid and purchase lands during these phases. With the commencement of the final stage, how have the leash and shibashi performed in the last 10 days? The Shiba Inu metaverse and its new landlords. During the first 2 phases of the land sale, Shiba Inu recorded over 3,000 new landlords with a total of 12,975 plots minted. Data from Etherscan also suggested that during the bid event and the holders event, users spent 6280 ETH to acquire lands. This was also confirmed by a statement made by Aircam, Shiba Inu's developer, where he said on the project's official Discord channel, "How many times have you raised almost $20 million in 5 days? On a crashed market." Dogecoin had risen out of the ashes and posted one of the most tremendous rallies that the crypto space has ever seen. Egged on by the likes of Elon Musk, it had basically taken a life of its own, and from it had spawned what is now known as the meme coin space. Dogecoin, which had rallied from about 2 cents to more than $0.7, had left a couple of millionaires in its wake. However, mid-2021 saw Dogecoin begin to crash and crumble as support died down. Other coins crawled up to steal market share from the pioneer meme coin, and it has continued on a downward trend since then. Nevertheless, this has not meant that Doge holders have lost everything. Quite the opposite, in fact. Despite Dogecoin now trading around 11 cents, a good portion of investors still remains in profit. Data from Into the Blocks shows that it remains an even balance between investors in profit and those in a loss. 49% of all Doge holders are still in profit, the same number for those in loss, while 2% remain in the neutral territory. $0.17. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023.